Hey guys, showing you this Wanjo Collapsible LED solar camping lantern with free multifunctional whistle. So it's a rechargeable camping lights with a portable outdoor gear for camping and travel or any finishing. So you can see this is the all unboxing, this manual lantern and this additional whistle. So this is very handy and portable. So I will show the function. This is the charging cable that you can charge is a USB-C. So you can charge the cable from here, and the other good thing is this also have the USB, so you can also charge your mobile or any other devices from it. So this is the nice thing to use with this one, and then also you can use this as the light. So you can see this is the light, but you have to open this up. This is the solar panel on the top as well. So once you open it, you can see the light here. So it's very handy with the little handle, and with the light you can see it's bright with the different modes, and you can just lock it up, so this becomes like this. So it's very nice, handy portable lantern. And this also comes with this compass or the tool. So this have the whistle, keychain and stuff. This is a carabiner that you can put on the top, and you can put it anywhere on the lantern. So it's very nice, small, portable, rechargeable lantern for really use outdoor.